How to make a collage in Pinterest. First of all, open Pinterest from your phone. Then here you'll see the plus icon. Just click on it at the top. Then click collage. Now here, if you want to add photos from your gallery, just click the plus icon. Or here you'll see the gallery icon. Click on it. Now choose your photo like this. Then click done. Now select this photo, then click add. Now you can replace, you can drag and place this image anywhere. Now again add the new photos from your phone or gallery, then click add. Now tap and hold and place it anywhere. That's it. That's uh, that's you can make a collage in Pinterest. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.